I did all the research for you. If you're new here, my name's Tracy, 57, divorced, lost my job over 45 days ago due to a company acquisition. Why am I smiling? Because I did the research and I found for us a program that we could purchase that has 4 amazing products that we get the master resale rights to, and we can sell over and over and over for 100% profit and make daily income. Now, if that isn't a great way to start saving money, paying off debt, or booking that trip that you want to take this summer with the family, I don't know what else is. I've never seen anything like it in my life. And the best part is, I was so new. I was beginner friendly. It was beginner friendly. I had to follow a step-by-step process for everything, and it was so easy. My business was up and running within 2 hours. And I had a whole community behind me helping me every step of the way. If I had any questions, there was always somebody there 24/7 to help answer a question. And they'll be there for you too. Stop thinking about getting a second job or a third job that takes you away from your family and your home. You can do this right from your cell phone with Wi-Fi and in your own home. If you want to learn more about the program that I'm talking about, put yes in the comments.